Guys, it's your it's a fiber, and right now upstairs upstairs is upstairs it's football. Yes, it's football. Play the film. This film. Oh my gosh, I'm watching them. Ooh, I'm watching them. Oh wow. Oh yeah, I've been playing the game without you guys watching. Okay. And upstairs it's just people watching.
You better hurry up.
So,
Dude, parked all weird and everything. Hurry up.
Okay. I did the game without you guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Mario Party 9. I need Mario Party 9. This is Mario Galaxy. Let me just jump. Can I jump on you? No. I would like to jump. Jump. Yes. Oh. Let's do a move now. Okay. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. What's the deal with you? Yeah. Okay. 100. Okay. Dang! Okay, shut up. You dumb. Kirby! It's Kirby. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Yes, I told you guys I did this by myself. I hate these, okay? We're going to do a bad.
You know my you're looking outside.
Oh no. Okay.
Sorry, guys.
That was the Pinky Mouse. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bowser Jr.'s robot. Cartel. La. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh wow. Yay! Where am I? That's the. Oh, what is that? It's a Goomba. Oh, yeah, that's a Goomba. Yeah, that's definitely a Goomba. Oh crap! I'm gonna die already. How do I do this? I died. Oh my gosh, I'm bad. Mew. Oh my gosh, I'm only down 3 lives, man. I'm bad. Oh crap. Yeah, let me just throw you in there. Okay, you're dead. Now, how do I open this crate? Dang it, that's not how you open it. How do I have to kill all you guys? Is that the thing? I'm gonna have to kill you all. That'd be good. Yeah. Now I'm gonna kill you all. Oh crap, actually you guys are gonna kill me. Oh my gosh! The controller didn't shake. It didn't shake. Okay, so we all know I'm bad at the game. Bad at this game. Yeah, you died. You shut that. How many does it, oh yeah, I have to.
You have to throw those dudes at the glass.
Oh. Glass. I threw the one in the glass, it didn't work. Yeah. Oh crap!
Oh, the bullets.
Oh, the bullet. Okay. I need one. I need a bullet. Where are the bullets? Come taste my sweetly. Come taste my sweets. You can't get this body. You can't get this. You can't get this. Yeah. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna get the other ones. Okay, okay. Yeah. You think you can get this? Yeah, I'm gonna lie. Okay. Yeah, you better come on. Nice. Come on. Yeah, oh my gosh, that guy's doomed. Whee! I'm super fast now. Oh, okay. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh crap, it's Bowser Jr. Why does he have to be so rude? Yeah. Oh, he's humongous. Wah 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 wah. You made it. I made it to the party, but I won't ever need my dad's help. Dad. What? Take care of you. Take care of who? Oh, me? Are you talking to me? Get at my. I just want to see my moves. Okay. Well. Bye. Am I arrested? Crap. Oh crap. It's this guy again. Oh, I don't know this guy. Does he even know where I am? Oh, I'm gonna have to get on him. How am I gonna get on him? I do go on his shoe! Okay, let's go on his shoe. Okay. Ah! Ah! No! No! Run! Run! Okay. Oh crap! He's still on me. Ah! No! I don't want. Oh no! I'm gonna have to do this again. Oh, anytime. Let's get on you. Okay. Well, why is it epic music? Yeah, you guys don't shoot. You guys can't get me. You can't get this awesomeness. Yeah, okay. Let's do this again. It's so easy. So easy, mate. Okay. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. Yes. Oh, sweet. Oh, the golden star. Oh, crap. Oh no. Now I'm gonna have to make the boss battle. I'm asking what kind of boss battle is this? Okay, yeah, you can really. Right. I'm bored. Oh crap! What kind of compliment is this? What kind of compliments are this? He said that I was doing my father. My agua, I need my agua. Okay, oh my gosh, you guys suck at the jobs. Oh, fine. Oh my! Oh. Yeah, okay. Yeah, crap. Okay. Shoot. Oh, sweet skills. No, he played on that plaza. He played out loud. Oh, crap, okay. That works. Oh no! What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with this octopus? Oh no! They just regenerated? Did they regenerate? Well, that's not what we're supposed to do, I guess. Okay, let me just go here. Hey, you suck at your job. Yeah, he sucks at his job. What about you? You bad at your job? Yeah, you're bad at your job. How about you? No, you're not bad. You're bad. Yeah. I'm so safe. Oh. Okay. I need one more. Come on. Let's have some fun. Oh no! Oh, come on. Oh gosh, they suck at their jobs. Come on. Do your job. Kill me. Oh! Okay, he tried to kill me. Yeah. Okay, he's doing his job right. Unlike the other ones. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can do your job right. You both can do your job. Oh my gosh. They can't do their jobs right. I'll be stuck in. I am so bored. Let me just okay, you know what? You guys are going to probably get bored out of this. Okay, little thing. I'm bad at it. Okay, I'm just bad. So I didn't do it. I just went back. I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna shut myself out. Thank you for your time. I'm gonna hate you my whole life. Oh no! I don't want to talk. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, I can take it. I can take it. I'm gonna do it. But no! Okay. There's a star. It's not me. I killed someone. I had to kill someone. That I lost someone with a needle. I had to make it to a rocket. Oh no! Okay. They score. Oh crap! Okay, so no! Oh crap. Okay, come on, that's okay. Yeah, hide behind this. Get that life! Go do a cross episode of Sonic. It's my left one. Yeah, dance for your beans. Dance for your beans. Bye. Oh my gosh. No, what? Mr. Seth. Ah! Cheese it! Overkill right there. Overkill indeed. Okay. I'm so bad. I'm bad at this game. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Okay, we can do this. Let's go have an ST party. Yes, yeah, I need you for an ST party. Nobody. I'm inviting you. Yes, I'm inviting you. Yes, you're allowed. You're allowed to come in. Yeah, you're allowed. Yeah, I need some people for the tea party. Yeah, you're allowed to come into this tea party I'm offering. Oh, okay, where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I have like no idea. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Backflip! I'm about to die. Yay! Oh, it's so nice to be up here. Never liked the blue ones. What do you want? You already talked to me about the dumb speech. You talked about the dumb speech. No one gives a crap about you, aren't you, Daddy? Okie dokie. Hi, Chucky. I'm gonna leave. Why am I just standing here? I can't just be aware of this big giant robot. Okay. This idiot, Mario's an idiot for some reason. Okay, let's just go. Let's just leave. Let's go. Why does it look so far away? Can't believe I'm doing this. Yeah, you better send it along. Yeah. Oh no! Okay. Oh no! Okay. Oh no! No! Okay. I think Arnold is down. Arnold's down. We need to find a way to bring back Arnold. Yeah! And I got front row seat! Yeah. Okay. Is this Michael Jackson now? Is this Michael Jackson? Is this Michael Jackson speaking? Okay, let's go. You side to side. Okay. they can't do anything. Yeah, come close, come close. Yeah, come close, come close. Okay. Okay. Yay! Yay! Okay, yeah, let me get this one. Hello. Oh gosh. Hello. Oh my gosh, no one likes to kill me. Dang it! Oh, come on! Okay. Come on, break it! Yes! Okay, finally! Yeah, you better be destroyed. Yeah! I only it took me 60 minutes just to kill this thing. Okay. Yes. Peace and Earth. I'm not even on Earth. I like to die. Oh my gosh. You don't know how this means so much to me when I'm going to this prom. I can't believe I'm prom king. Wait, who's my prom queen? Do I have to say the prom queen? Oh, I just can't believe I am prom king. I can't believe. Oh my gosh. I think Vanoss, I think H.O. Delirious, I think Markiplier, I think Jacksepticeye, PewDiePie, Wildcat, Terrorizer, Louie, I thank all of you guys. Yes! Powers. Yay, I am now prom king. Yes! Oh yeah. Okay, I thank you guys for watching. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna shove you in the big pool of lava. Go in the lava. Yeah, go kill yourself. Go murder yourself. Yay! No, it's yellow. It's not orange. It's not the sun. Oh my gosh. What? Yay! No! Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm Galaxy. Beep. Okay. I guess, oh my gosh. My gosh, why you have to be butt ugly, woman? I gotta be butt ugly. And stay on my pro. Stay on so why do I have to listen to you? Why am I listening to you? I don't speak Japanese. Okay, that's nice. I don't give a living crap. Okay. New demo. I got a demo game. I'm playing demo. Second playing demo. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, yes, you'll save the game. Yeah, okay. Like I said, I like to take H2O, Delirious, I like to take Vanoss, Wildcat, guys in Banana Bus Squad, I think PewDiePie, Markiplier, and I think Jacksepticeye. I think all you YouTubers. You guys best. Thanks for watching. Oh, you're this. Let's see. Oh, next video. Yay. Goodbye.